I'm sitting in a house that Robert and I designed in Los Angeles, right here in LA. Robert and I chose Mitsubishi because the Mitsubishi unit is perfect for this place. The design of this house is special because we wanted to take the outdoors indoors. And we really thought about how someone's going to entertain in this house, whether it's a family, whether it's a single person. It's all about really enjoying the LA life.
My name's Warren Bregman. I'm the owner of Imbuya Construction. We're based in Los Angeles. Ultimately, we were brought in on this project as general contractor. We basically took an old rundown piece of garbage and really blew it out, retrofitted from the ground up. We open planned the kitchen living room area by taking out some walls. And then the Novogratz put their wonderful design touch to it, and that makes it spectacular.
My name is Randy Skolnick. I'm with Sirius Mechanical. I'm the sales manager and project manager for the company. Our company's been installing Mitsubishi Mr. Slim systems since 2004. Well, what made the LA Spec Home project very unique is the fact that it is a mid-century modern type home, which has very difficult challenges architecturally for installing a HVAC system.
We were looking at conventional systems with a ducted system that basically utilizes one unit that feeds the whole house. But they are not very energy efficient, and ultimately I don't think you can do better than utilizing one of these cutting-edge HVAC systems by Mitsubishi.
What we were able to do with the Mitsubishi Mr. Slim product was design around the basis of a ducted and ductless type approach.
Mitsubishi units really work for this house. It's a 4-bedroom house, and we had a say on each room and what type of unit we were going to install in those rooms. For example, we love an open kitchen that's open to the living room and the outdoors. We chose the ceiling-mounted unit for that room to really cover the cooling part for that entire big space. And then we did the wall-mounted units for the bedrooms. We also did the ducted units in some of the rooms.
The ducted fan coils were considered because the master bedroom and what we consider bedroom 1 were laid out in a way that we could pick up with the ductwork not only the bedrooms themselves but also the bathrooms adjoining. The wall-mounted fan coil was selected because it was a small zone. It was actually the smallest zone in the home, and we were able to incorporate Mitsubishi's smallest fan coil, which is a 6,000 BTU wall-mounted fan coil for that zone.
So the great thing is with Mitsubishi is you have a say. You have choices. You can really choose different units to fit your world and your life. You can turn off different ones that you don't even have to use, the ones that are closer to outside, or the ones that are in the living room where you're going to hang out the most. Each unit fits each room, which is great. We can turn the systems down and let the indoors and outdoors become one.
This home was able to accommodate all 3 styles of fan coils, ductless 4-way, wall-mounted fan coil, and ducted fan coil. We were able to connect that to one outdoor condenser and install that in a location that again was out of the way, somewhat remote to the exterior of the home, and provide adequate coverage for all 5 zones.
Ultimately, Mitsubishi has come through as the forerunner in air conditioning systems being very, very efficient, low voltage, split system units that just heat and cool one area rather than us having to cool the whole house or heat the whole house and waste of energy.
So it was perfectly suited for the layout of the home, the architecture, the framework, and also the fact that the occupants will enjoy individualized temperature control.
We zoned out pretty much thermostats for the living space. The family room got a zone on its own. The bedrooms had their own zoning as well. So whereby you could actually utilize the thermostat to just cool one area and not be wasting the energy on cooling areas that you aren't using. And it's just a fantastic system to go with, really cutting edge technology.
We needed a unit that's simple, that's quiet, and that's not an eyesore if you're hanging out outside. We have a really groovy deck, a huge backyard for LA, and you just want to spend time outside. You know, with most old units, they're huge, they make a lot of noise, and you're like, oh, there's where the air conditioning unit is. But not with Mitsubishi. It's simple, it's sleek, and it's quiet, and it looks great outside. The units are modern, fresh, and the way to go when it comes to cooling and heating your home.